Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the word Spot and Media. Cane farmers in Trelawny are this evening on a mission to safeguard their industry with a $100 million plan for a factory and other amenities in Hague, Clarendon. The decision follows the long-standing issue with the operators of Long Pond Sugar Factory in the parish. This announcement comes on the heels of another multi-million-dollar plan to transform that same sugar factory into a cogeneration plant. But as TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports, the cane farmers are sounding a warning.
Business at the Long Pond Sugar Factory in Trelawny has been far from sweet, forcing a multi-million-dollar government bailout last year. The All-Ireland Jamaica Cane Farmers Association is not pleased with the current owners of the factory, Everglades Farms.
In the face of what is chronic and acute resentment as to the way they are treated, just sit down and nothing is said to them. A factory is closed and nobody come and say anything to them. A plan is before us, they come and they are received politely by our annual conference down here. Not another word in English is heard from them, and farmers are expected to sit and wait.
So they are taking a stand, doing what they think is best for cane farmers in Trelawny.
To join us in hailing the possible arrival of Trelawny Pride.
Trelawny Pride, he says, will seek to utilize about 2,000 hectares of land in northern Trelawny and will provide a steady source of income for cane and other types of farmers in Trelawny and St. James.
The project involves putting up a modern small factory to process the cane produced by our members, some 40 to 50,000 tons of cane, into cane juice and multiple versions of that using other produce, ginger and other agricultural additives to mix what is the flagship, what will be Trelawny Pride juices.
The project is expected to cost about $100 million, and after it's approved, it should take about 9 months to a year to begin full operations. Funding will come from the cane farmers themselves, as well as the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings. But how viable is this plan? For Alan Rickards, cane farmers will be getting more money.
That price will be no less than presently is the price paid for cane seed, which is $5,500 a ton. It will be no less than that.
Mr. Rickards says SCJ Holdings and the Agriculture Minister welcome the idea. It's left to be seen if it will bear fruit. On Monday, Hampden Estates, which is owned by Everglades, announced a $4.9 billion deal with an American company to transform the Long Pond Sugar Factory into a cogeneration facility. This was Mr. Rickards' take on the matter.
If it is that there is a project, and I say a big if, that is dependent on the largesse and involvement and cooperation of these 280 odd to 300 registered cane farmers, then they can forget about it. Because the patience of these farmers long since has run out.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.